Shenssea and Mackadiamond are considering starting the OnlyFans page. Jamaican authorities to crack down on fake braces. Details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
So yes, people, you know the latest trend, or one of the latest trend in Jamaica right now. Everybody are at the fake braces. So I say, it look good if it's some people, we are going to admit it, but the authorities are not with it. They are saying it's illegal to do dental work without any proper training. So Dr. Lloyd Prince, registrar of the Dental Council, did an interview with a Jamaican Star, and this is what the headline say, right? Dr. Lloyd Prince, registrar of the Dental Council of Jamaica, has sounded a warning to persons engaged in illegal braces trade that they will soon be nabbed by the long end of the law. So basically they're saying if you're involved in any kind of illegal braces trading, you can be arrested. That is not the law as yet, but him say soon. What me I go do, people? Me I go switch gears a little bit. We are going to talk about Shenssea and Mackadiamond wanting an OnlyFans page, and then me telling you the rest of this story about the braces, right? Them actually explain the dangers of, you know what I mean, installing the braces and other things. So we are going to talk about Shenssea for a little while. So Shenssea made a tweet, and Shenssea said, I act like I'm okay, but deep down I want some of that OnlyFans money. Right? So, me don't know if this a joke or she just, you know what I mean, Shenssea always laughy more time. So, I don't know if a joke this or she's serious. You see me? Who do tell me what to think? I want to think, who would I want to see Shenssea up on OnlyFans? Now, if you don't know what OnlyFans is about, it's basically a platform where you can post almost anything and people have to sign up. You have to subscribe to it, and you have different price for different things, right? The thing that about OnlyFans is that OnlyFans is about anything. So me, if me a YouTuber and me want to have a OnlyFans and do YouTube stuff over there, I can. If you want to do cooking and them thing over there, you can. But the thing is, the most popular part is the part about the explicit photo and videos. That's mostly what everybody do over there and know about. That's the popular part of it. So when you see the Angel the other day, I want to see Aisha and I have one, I think. That's the two people that I can think of who already have it. And I'm talk about as dancehall artists or Jamaicans who I know about. I mean, a lot of Jamaicans have it, you know what I mean? Like other girls, Instagram girls and them people. You see me? But as artists go, the Angel and Aisha, that's the only one I know, right? But people, you know what I mean? There's another artist that wants to start her OnlyFans too, and she made a video. So we are going to play that video here, and then we are going to hear one and say, we are going to ask them the same thing if we want to sign up for our OnlyFans. All right? So let us watch this video.
I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. No matter what they say about me, na, 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 I'm happy. What's up, my money diamonds? I'm asking a question. But a serious note, I'm going to answer my good. Want to think if I go say, I'm going to open up an OnlyFans page. Want to think. I feel like I want an OnlyFans page, man. When I deal with money diamonds, want to say, when I support it, let me know if another support an OnlyFans page with me. Let me know. All right?
Well, the key word there is on a serious note. That's what Macka said. Macka said on a serious note, she I think about for open up our OnlyFans page. Now, people, them artists are not idiot. Them artists here, I do them research and them I get word from each other and I say, yo, you know, it's the money the on the thing and rare. There's no rules on OnlyFans that you have to show your front, so to speak, or you have to show your body. You see what I mean? I say? There's no rules to it like that. It's basically what your fans them want to see and what your fans them count as entertainment. Now people are going to go and expect to see them kind of things, you know. It's still what I say. But if you have sign up, you know what you have sign up for. The people them will sign up to Aishana and the Angel, and if Shenssea go do it, them know what they want to see. You see me? Or I guess away the person give them. So We don't know, but people want to think Maka should have go OnlyFans or no. It's something as I put in the comment section. Now let's get back to the dentist story. You see what I say? I'm going to read through the article and explain or make you understand what I'm trying to say about this fake dentist practice. All right? So let's go. Like I said earlier, the doctor name is Lloyd Prince. So the article says, Prince said that the council has started a campaign to educate persons about the illegal practice of dentistry and to warn against engaging the service of some entity and individuals who advertise their products on social media. We are working from the notion that the braces are fake, so we are investigating and doing our due diligence if it is any less than professional and putting the Jamaicans that are seeking oral or dental health at risk. It is a criminal matter, so the police will be involved, he said. If persons are going to give fake care to the Jamaican public, we are going to object that. Prince hinted that there are investigations being done by the police to find persons who are behind the illegal practice to verify if they are registered dentists. The Star contacted several persons who provide fashion braces. None of them are formally trained and are not registered with the Dental Council of Jamaica. Right? There's another piece, but let's just discuss this for a little bit. So they must say, yo, a fake braces, and you know that is not cool if you give oral care. But people, me not know how this fake braces work. Me not know fake braces. I would not want real or fake braces. I'm pretty cool with my dental work. That, you know what I mean? I'm cool. But I don't know, is it like, I don't know if it would it amount out to the same thing like you going to the dentist and actually get a braces. Cause I see them thing up on video where them have it tighten up and ray. Is something like that, or it's just something with dep on there? Nevertheless, you know what I mean, I'm not saying that anything is wrong with what he's saying because I'm not a dentist and I don't know. So I can't go tell you, say, Ray, if fake braces not done to your teeth. That's not what I'm saying. I'm trying to figure out, you know what I mean, if the fake braces are just for the look, which I thought it was. I thought it was just for the look. I never know that the people them wear fake braces actually are trying to do something to them teeth still. From what you must say in that article, that's what it sounds like oral care. I thought it was just for fashion because them use the words cosmetic and them kind of thing there. So I don't know, but let us continue with the other piece of article and see what go on. So it said, a representative of one of these entities based in the corporate area admitted that he is not formally trained. It costs $11,000 for both rows of cosmetic braces and $40,000 with authentic braces. I do it the same way how you see it on YouTube or any other braces page on Instagram, he said. After that, you can't eat anything hard. You know that. And within the first 3 days, you'll feel some tenderness. Prince said the existing dental law is to be revised to deal with the areas of speciality, such as orthodontics, which deal with braces. Renowned dental surgeon D.K. Duncan has warned about the dangers of engaging the service of untrained persons to do dentistry. If you are not qualified to do braces, you are destroying the nerve and the tooth loses its vitality and the patient may have to do a root canal treatment or lose the tooth. When you go to the qualified person who does braces, who is an orthodontist, they will place the tooth into the proper position without creating damage, he said. So after all, I guess, I don't know, people. Like me say, if you wear braces, please tell me if the fake braces me I talk about. Tell me if you get it for try fix your teeth. I get it for just make a fashion statement. Because like I said, I was under the impression that this was solely for fashion and for the look. I didn't know that there's actually people who are trying to fix them teeth, or fake braces people are trying to fix other people's teeth. So maybe it's two different kind. I don't know. So please no help me out here. You see what I say? And I don't know, tell me overall what you think about these stories. Tell me what you think about this fake braces story, and tell me what you think about Shenssea and Mackadiamond wanting to get on OnlyFans. You know what I mean? So let me know in the comment section. You know, if it's your first time on this channel and you watch this video and you like it, You know what I mean? Please subscribe for daily updates. And all my longtime subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for keeping this thing alive. It's so I say, big up on yourself. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.